today you could tell by the looks of the title of this video what I'm about to get myself into. Honestly, I'm a little bit nervous because I'm about to do my own eyebrows and tinting at that. I've never had my eyebrows tinted, but my friend actually put me onto this and I was like, you know what, let me give it a try because I don't know, I need my eyebrows done and I never had them tinted, but I did pluck them myself. Y'all see that? I plucked my eyebrows myself, but I'm just a little bit nervous to tint them. So we're gonna see how this comes out. I watched a few videos of other people doing it, but they use Just for Men, and I'm using this one, and I'm really scared because I haven't seen nobody use this one, but this is all they had. The ones that they had for Just for Men, the color wasn't the color I wanted. So, but this brand had the color I wanted, and this brand has natural medium brown. That's what I wanted. But in the hair store that I went to, the Just for Men brand had jet black, and that's too dark for me. Like, I don't do jet black. So I'm really scared. We about to see what's gonna happen. Let's get right into it. Okay, this one is like, this is like a watery solution. I don't know what this is though. Maybe I should read the instructions before I shake it. And then it has this in there. This is watery too. Hold on, y'all. I wanted it to be creamy. I gotta open the instructions and read the instructions and figure out what we're doing, because we're not about to mess up our eyebrows. Oh, they got gloves in here for me, I think. I ain't finna use no gloves. I'm so scared. I don't want to do it. They got gloves on here. Now look. So, pour the color. Okay, so I have to pour this into this bottle, shake it well. This is like regular hair dye to me. It's watery. The Just for Men one was thick, so I think I messed up by getting this. We gonna see. I don't care, I'm gonna test it anyways.
Oh, I'm gonna do that anyway. I'm gonna do that anyway because that's how I am.
So in the videos I saw, they use their own brush, but I'm guessing I'm not gonna need my brush. I'm still gonna use it though. Y'all, look at how this thing looks. I'm scared. Oh Lord Jesus. Y'all see it? So scared. Okay, I'm gonna do the ends first, because I can't even see where I'm putting it. This is crazy. Okay, I think it's starting to do its thing already. I'm scared. I'm gonna do the other side now. This side, this eyebrow, it be acting out. It be showing out, y'all. I'm gonna put like an extra wing on it because I never liked this eyebrow. So let's see. I'm gonna make it a little bit longer. Whoever used to do my eyebrows messed me up. Sit a little bit and let's see. I'm really nervous, but we gonna see what it does. my eyebrows come out bad, I'm running up because the hair store should have warned me. They should have told me. The lady in the hair store, she knew. She knew. I think it's been like a few seconds. I'm gonna go in the middle and just keep going out. Y'all, this stuff is really like watery, as you could see. So like you really want to be careful, because if you mess up and put it in the wrong spot, or it just seems like it's very easy to mess up and put in the wrong spot. So they starting to itch. I'm scared. I'm getting scared. I really got some skinny eyebrows. That's so funny. I never paid attention to that. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. I really love when like the comments come to my phone, because I like interacting with people. I like when people interact with me. So y'all give me a thumbs up or thumbs down if that's how you feeling. It's however you feeling. But I'm tinting my eyebrows. It's come to the fact that we gotta do our own shit. Yeah, this stuff is like burning a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna let it sit just a little bit. I'm getting nervous because I don't know how long it's been on yet. I know it says like 3 minutes, I think. No, this stuff is burning a little bit. Yeah, it says 3 minutes. So I'm gonna go in and do the front piece. Oh Lord, I think I went in too much. It's burning. It's burning. Y'all, can y'all see it? It's kind of uneven in the front. Y'all see? It's getting dark. Should I let it sit? That's the only thing. I know it's been past 3 minutes though. So it is pretty though. Like I'm envisioning it when I'm done. It's gonna be pretty. Fingers crossed. Because if it's not pretty, I'm probably gonna cry. I should have let the front sit a little bit longer. I might go back in with the front. Y'all, I went into the front a little bit more on this side because I wanted to let it sit a little bit more. You can't really see where it tinted it, but I didn't like how the front looked. The front wasn't like, it wasn't all the way dyed how I wanted it to be. So I put some more on the front and I'm gonna see if it does it or not. I really cannot tell. Like, I think it's like a perfect color. It's not like too dark. I could have let it sit a little bit longer. I'm gonna let the front sit a little bit because if the whole thing comes out like this color, I'll actually be fine. I really thought it was gonna come out like too dark, but maybe this brand is just different. This brand could just be different. So I'm gonna let the front sit. It's burning the hell out of me right now. I'm not even gonna lie, it's burning, but I'm gonna leave them like this. Down. Like this. Y'all like this? I think I should wipe it. It's burning. It didn't even do anything. It didn't do a thing. It was burning for nothing. Y'all, this is the finished look. My eyebrow was burning the hell up. I don't think it really did nothing. Like, yeah, I could see where it tinted. It dyed the hair. I could see where it dyed the hair. But I don't really think it did that much. It doesn't look bad though. It looks good. Maybe I need to look at my before and my after picture because I don't really see a big, huge difference. So, thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. This is the finished look of my eyebrows. I like it, but I feel like it doesn't really look that different from how my eyebrows were before I tinted them. So maybe next time I do this, probably in like the next, I think it's 4 weeks or 6 weeks. The next time I do it, I'm probably gonna try the actual Just for Men one because I know that's the original one that everybody was using. I do like how natural my eyebrows still look and I can still see the tint. So I do like how natural it looks. I really wanted to kind of like fill in the front of my eyebrows a little bit more. This box was only $5.99, so it's actually cheaper than the Just for Men. The Just for Men is $8.99. I really don't mind. I didn't even know this was so cheap. I really don't mind, but for those that are balling on a budget, this one it still works pretty good. So you guys, let me know what you guys thought about my eyebrows. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, make sure you subscribe. Show love. If you really like my content, show me that you like my content and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. So, bye.